prove with reasons that OR is to WS is equals to 1 is to 2. So let's go ahead and take a look at our question statement and see which keywords we can extract. In the diagram, O is the center of the circle. Easy to see. Triangle PWS, so here's P, we have W, and S is drawn with PW and S on the circle. OR is perpendicular to PS. There's an angle of 90 degrees there, so that is also easy to see. PRS is produced to T. SW and OT intersected V. And then you are told that OV is to OT is equals to 1 is to 4. The first question, back to the first question, prove with the reasons that OR is to WS is equals to 1 is to 2. Okay, we don't have much to work with as far as the keywords in the question are concerned. But let's take a look at our sketch. Maybe there's something we can cook there. So first of all, PWS is a triangle, right? So PW must be a straight line. Yeah, here we have PW. This must be a straight line. Yeah, since PWS is a triangle. If PW is a straight line, then PW should be a diameter, right? That should be easy to see. And in saying that PW is a diameter, then we are saying that angle S is 90 degrees, right? But now look at this. Angle S is 90 degrees. Angle R is also 90 degrees. So WS should be parallel to OR, right? Now let's take a look at the question we actually have in hand. We want to find the ratio of OR. So here's OR and WS. Okay, but if you take a look at OR, we can say that OR is a base, right, or a side on triangle PRO, and then WS is a side on triangle PWS, right? But these two triangles are similar to each other. Why? R is equals to S. They are both equals to 90. We have talked about why angle S is equals to 90. Angle S is equals to 90 because it's been subtended by diameter SW. Okay, but in triangle POR, well, triangle POR and PWS, they share this angle right here. They share that angle P, right? So angle P is equals to angle P, right? It is a common angle. So in saying that the third angle of the two triangles should be close to each other. So now we have the privilege, you can say that the triangle POR is similar to triangle PWS, angle. Right, so now that we've proved that the two triangles are similar, we can play around with proportions because we have proved that the two triangles are similar. But I want you to realize something. OP is a radius. This is a radius right here. And then OW is a radius, right? So PO divided by OW should be 1 over 1 because it's a radius. So there we go. PO divided by OW is equals to 1 over 1. So we can see that no issue whatsoever. But then let's look at the two triangles that we have. On triangle POR, we have a side PO, right? We have a side PO. And then on triangle PWS, we have a side PW. But what is PW? PW is 2R, is 2 radiuses, right? So PO divided by PW should be equals to R divided by 2R, which is equals to 1 over 2. So this is PO divided by PW, right? But we are interested in OR and WS. But OR is this side on the smaller triangle, and WS is this side on the bigger triangle. So we can also use that those sides, they should also be in proportion. So we can say that PO over PW is equals to OR over WS. So OR over WS, the reason here, right, I'm forgetting to give the reason. The reason is that POR is similar to PWS. That is the reason there. So OR over WS is 1 over 2. So OR is to WS is equals to 1 is to 2. Okay, that is 10.2.1. Let's take a look at 10.2.2. Calculate the length of PT. What is PT? If ST is equals to 15 units. What was I writing there? So ST is 15 units. Okay, so let me erase some things here so that I can have a bit of clarity. What are we saying? Let's see. So calculate the length of PT. This is PT. PT is this entire line. And then ST is 15 units. So this is 15 units. Okay. In our question here, we are given that OV. Well, I hate this is two thing. Let me just say OV over OT. This is two thing. It annoys me. So OV over OT is equals to 1 over 4. This OV is true. I don't like it at all. Okay. So let's see what we can cook there. This is like we've showed parallel to this. Yeah, that is important. We need that there. And then OV, where is OV? OV is this side, right? So the ratio is 1 over 4. So if this is x, then OT should be 4x, right? Meaning that here, let me write it like this. Yeah, this is x. Here we should have 3x, so that OT can be 4x. That's what we know. But OR and VS are parallel, so this should also be x, and then this should be 3x. Do you see that? Okay, so let's get formal. OV over, I don't want to say OT, I want to say VT is equals to RS over ST. So OV over VT, that is going to be x over 3x. RS, we don't know that one. And then ST is 15, right? So this is 1 over 3 being equals to RS over 15. So 3 RS is equals to 15. RS is equals to 5. Okay, so here we have 5. ST is 50. So now we just need to find PR. We need to find the length of PR. Okay, but we know that from O to P is equals to the distance from O to W. So from R to S should be equals to the distance from R to P. So we also have 5 here. So PT is equals to 15 plus 5 plus 5, which is equals to 25. There we go. Question 10.